In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the text and screen elements larger in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or in the office, adjusting the display to match your comfort level can make a big difference in your day-to-day productivity and reduce eye strain. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. You can open the Teams app on your computer or use your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Teams website. Click Sign In and enter your account details if prompted. Once you're logged in, you're ready to customize your view. To increase the font size and overall screen view in Microsoft Teams, you'll be using simple keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are quick, easy, and can also work in many other apps and browsers. To zoom in and make everything larger, press the Control key and the plus key on your keyboard at the same time. This will enlarge text, images, and other interface elements, making them easier to read. You can press this combination multiple times until the size feels just right for you. If you ever feel like things are too large or you want to zoom back out, just press the Control key together with the minus key. This will reduce the size of the content and give you a wider view of your workspace, which can be helpful if you're multitasking or working with multiple sections at once. It's important to note that these changes only affect how Microsoft Teams appears on your screen. They won't change how messages, shared screens, or presentations look to other people in meetings or chats. The adjustments are completely personal and apply only to your device. These keyboard shortcuts work smoothly in most web browsers and in the desktop version of Teams, making them a fast and convenient way to fine-tune your viewing experience. If you notice that the screen isn't resizing properly, try checking for updates or restarting the app, as this can often fix minor issues. Using shortcuts like these not only saves time but also improves accessibility. Since screen sizes and resolutions vary from one device to another, being able to adjust your view on the fly helps keep your workspace comfortable and easy to use. And that's it. Increasing the font size and screen view in Microsoft Teams is a simple but powerful way to improve how you interact with the platform. With a clearer and more comfortable display, navigating Teams becomes smoother and more enjoyable. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell.